In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Face ID on GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, how to turn it off confidently, and what to do if the switch doesn't behave as expected. This is helpful if Face ID isn't recognizing you consistently, you're sharing your device for a short time, or you simply prefer entering your PIN instead of using your face to log in. Start by opening the GCash app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, head straight to Settings. Depending on your version of the app, the Settings option is typically accessible from your profile area or a gear icon. The goal is to get into the place where you manage your account's security features. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Biometrics. This is where GCash groups device-based login methods like Face ID and, on some devices, fingerprint. Think of biometrics as the bridge between your device's built-in security and your GCash account. Now, on the biometrics screen, locate the Face ID option and toggle it off. When you flip this switch, you're telling GCash to stop using your device's face recognition for authentication. You may see a brief prompt asking you to confirm the change. That's normal and simply protects you from accidental taps. After this, Face ID will be disabled, and the next time you access sensitive actions, the app will ask for your PIN instead of scanning your face. This gives you more control and can reduce misreads if lighting or camera angles often cause issues. In some cases, you might notice that Face ID doesn't turn off completely, or the toggle appears to switch back on. If that happens, go to the Help Center within the app. Use the search bar and type Disable ID. Open the relevant help article and follow the request for assistance provided there. The Help Center will guide you through the official process so the support team can make sure the feature is properly turned off on your account. They may ask for basic verification to confirm it's really you making the request, which helps protect your account security. That's it. You've learned how to find the biometric settings in GCash and how to turn off Face ID, plus what to do if the setting doesn't stick. You can always return to the same biometric screen later to manage these preferences as your needs change. Thanks for watching and take care of your account security.